Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Dibasimes in case you don't already know, and in today's video we're going to be doing a very quick and easy install with this 2-in-1 wet and wavy unit. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure to keep on watching. Love you. Mwah. So lovelies, the wig we're going to be using today is from a company called GeniusWigs. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do a little unboxing for you guys. So it comes with a wig obviously, and it comes with a wig cap. It comes with this fabric to tie your front hair, and it also comes with a clip. So this is the specs of the wig. I'm just going to go ahead to write that on the screen for you to check out. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box, straight out of the package, and this is what it looks like. It's a 14-inch length wig. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead to show you what the construction of this wig looks like. So it comes with 4 combs at the back, 4 wig combs, and it also comes with this very adjustable strap. Guys, this elastic band is so adjustable, like you can make it smaller, you could completely take it off if that's what you want. I really like the fact that it's removable and you can adjust it. So one thing I wanted to still go ahead to show you guys is how deep this pattern can go. From the spec you saw, this is a 13 by 6.5 frontal. All right, so it's a very deep pattern and it shows. Like, the pattern is so deep, you can literally go ahead to pat it however deep you want it. So another spec about this wig that I love, and I think it's an absolute steal, is the fact that this is a 2-in-1 wig. Like I mentioned earlier, the fact that if you add water to the wig, it just becomes coily, and you can go ahead to straighten it once more and it becomes straight again. All right, did you get that? Like, it becomes coily once you add water, and then you can go ahead to straighten it again. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to do that on camera so you see it. So you see it was straight, we added water, curls come through. All right, and then I'm just going to go ahead with my flat iron and straighten that out, and it's just going to be straight once again. Obviously this is a Yankee feel kind of wig. It's not going to straighten out like your bone straight per se, but it's going to straighten out, but it's not going to be like bone straight silky vibe, no, but it's going to straighten out and it's going to look flawless actually. So you see me go in with my hot comb just to show you that hairline. All right, the hairline of this wig is actually very gorgeous because it's already pre-plucked. It came like this. I didn't do any plucking to the wig. This is exactly how it comes. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that flat iron to take the hair out of the way and clip it down. This is what it should look like. Doing this makes the hair more easier to be installed. Like, you can lay it easier without hair getting in your way. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and install this wig. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and brush my edges, have my edges out of the way, just lay that down. Then I'm going to go ahead to do the bald cap method. Guys, if I actually knew better, I would not have done the bald cap method for this wig because the lace is so thin, guys. Like, the lace of this wig is so thin that it's literally see-through. Okay, so if you're not going in with like a bald cap method that is like properly laid down, I just advise to skip it, except you can actually do a very laid down bald cap, because mine started showing through the lace, which wasn't so bad, but I would have just preferred if I had done it without the bald cap. I think it would have come out really flawless. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take that foundation after rubbing it on my bald cap and just rub it on the wig also. So this is what the lace is looking like. Guys, I have to tell you guys about this lace. So I'm going to do a comparison of the normal lace we have going around and this crystal lace. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my skin. All right, I'm doing this test so you see how good this lace is and how easy it dissolves into your skin essentially. So the first one is the transparent lace and the second one is the crystal lace, and you just see how the crystal lace melts into my skin flawlessly. Like, you could literally see the difference of those two lace. So that is it for the lace. So I'm just going to go ahead and install this wig. I'm going to first of all take away some hair from the hairlines, because this wig comes with a widow peak hairline. really nice, and I love the fact you can actually just remove it and it doesn't look awkward because it has been plucked so beautifully well. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that bit off and continue to install the hair. I'm actually going to use just the Got2b spray. I didn't use any glue, so I told you guys it's going to be a very quick install. All right, so Got2b is like my very quick go-to install. It does the job for me, though it can get a bit messy sometimes. Got2b gets a lot messy if you're not careful, but it does the job. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that lace off. So I was going in with my scissors and it just wasn't really giving me the vibe. It wasn't doing the job for me. If you watch my channel regularly, you know that sometimes I use scissors, sometimes I use razor blade. Depends on how my mood is that day. So for this mood, I just felt the razor blade was just a much better choice, and it just really cut it flawless for me. So now I'm just taking a bit of that Got2b. I'm not going to spray it over the lace one more time. I just take a little bit on the take home and just put it on. So now I've gone ahead to do my makeup, and we're just going to remove that scarf from it to just see the final install that we have here. And this is how laid the hair is. Like, you can literally not see that lace. That lace is so thin. All right, what you're seeing is like the line of the wig cap, the board cap method that we did. So I actually did wish I skipped the board cap method, because you can literally see the board cap peeking through, but it's all right. I made it work. I made it look flawless in the end. So this is what the hair is looking like. I'm just going to go ahead with my brush and kind of just blend that into my skin so everything just blends in. So this is what is looking like straight out of the Insta. I'm just going to go ahead and make a pattern space for the wig and just kind of dial the wig the way I would normally do. I didn't want to go too much with this wig. I really love the fact that it looks like my natural hair. Should tell you without you coming close to me and tell you this is my hair. There's no way you won't believe it. That's how realistic I think this wig look. So I would really wanted to go for that realistic vibe. I didn't do too much to the wig. And that hairline, guys, it's really, really well plucked. I really wish I didn't use the ball cap method for this install, but that's fine. You can actually see how well this wig is and how well it was constructed. To think it was plucked like this and I didn't have to do like a single thread of plucking, it's amazing. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. All I did to this hair was just straighten it a little bit, just so it doesn't have the falls it had while it came packaged. All right, so that's all I did to this wig essentially. Now I'm gonna go to style 2, just adding water to the wig. So all you have to do is just add water. I'm not saying water and conditioner. All you have to do is just add water and your curls will come out immediately. That's how amazing this wig is. Like, your curls literally just pops out immediately. So you can literally see how the curls is on one side. I just went ahead to spray one side so you see the difference on how the curls is and how you can have it straightened, you can have it curled. I really like how defined the curl is actually. The curl is actually pretty well defined. I was really skeptical about how the curls will look on me, but I really like it. So lovelies, that's really it for this video. Let me know which of the styles you prefer. Do you prefer the straightened one or do you prefer the curled one? Let me know down in the comment section and let me know your thoughts about this wig also. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next week video. Love you. Mwah.